Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to restart a Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and I want to restart the phone, maybe the screen is not responding or the phone is too hot, or just want to restart to clear some glitches or cache on your opened application, then here's in this video, you'll learn the basic approach you can use to restart a Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as this really helps us to grow. Now the first thing to do here to restart the Samsung phone is locate and press the side button, this particular side button, which is the power button. Go ahead, press and hold it for a couple of seconds, like 2 seconds. After that, you should see the power menu comes up. This power menu includes turn off, restart, and emergency call. Now locate and click on restart. Once you click on the restart button, go ahead, tap the restart button again. Then you should see the Samsung logo appears. Once the Samsung logo appears, this is going to turn off your Samsung phone. Then for you to restart, it's going to take a couple of seconds, and after a couple of seconds, you should see your Samsung logo appear again. After your phone must have vibrated, you can see Samsung Galaxy powered by Knox. Then hang on while the phone is restarted. This might last for 5 to 10 seconds. And after that, you'll be taken to your Samsung phone home screen, where you'll be prompted to type in your Samsung phone passcode to access the phone home screen. Mark you cannot use your fingerprint or Face ID to sign into your phone. Once restarted, you need to make sure you know the Samsung phone passcode for you to be able to sign into your Samsung phone if you choose to restart it. Otherwise, you will remain on the screen while you will be able to receive calls until you type in the passcode for you to be able to put a call through. And once everything is set, you'll see your Samsung phone turns up just like this. Then by default, the phone is going to be locked. You cannot unlock this using your Face ID or using your fingerprint. Just swipe up and type in your phone PIN to restart it. Then go ahead and click on OK. And then you should see phone is starting. Once you see phone is starting, that is to confirm that your Samsung phone passcode is accepted and your Samsung phone is now restarted successfully. So that is basically how to restart a Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.